everyone, and welcome back to Anne's Family Recipe. Have you ever made resurrection rolls? I haven't until just this morning. It was a fun Easter treat that I could make with my children, and the idea is that you put a marshmallow and some other yummy toppings inside of crescent roll dough or bread dough, if that's what you want to do. And when they bake, the marshmallow disappears. So it's meant to symbolize Jesus rising from the dead when the stone is rolled back from the tomb and he's no longer inside. That's the marshmallow. It's no longer there. So I'm going to show you today how easy they are to make, and I promise you they taste amazing. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Let's get baking. To start, I prepared the ingredients for the filling. So that's a half a stick of unsalted butter that I melted in the microwave, and then my son measured out a quarter cup of white sugar, and my daughter added a tablespoon of cinnamon, and then we mixed that together. Next, they popped open 2 cans of crescent roll dough and laid them out onto parchment-lined baking sheets. And I had them use 2 just so we had room to work, but once they're all rolled up, they'll all fit onto 1 baking sheet. To fill the dough, you take a large marshmallow, dunk it into the melted butter, and then roll it around in the cinnamon sugar and place it at the wide edge of the crescent roll. Then you roll the dough around the marshmallow, and you want to make sure, as best as you can, that there aren't any openings. So I tried to sort of pinch the edges together. I did have a few leaks, but it still worked out just fine. And then I had a little bit of extra melted butter, so I drizzled it all over the top of each of my buns. Then these bake at 375 degrees for about 14 to 15 minutes until they're golden brown on top. These resurrection rolls are fluffy and flaky, and you can see when you open them up, the marshmallow has disappeared. In its place is this gooey, almost caramely sauce that has a great cinnamon flavor. I wasn't sure if this was going to pack a flavorful punch. I thought they might be a little bit bland, but honestly, we love them. My kids love them. They were kind of like an easy shortcut cinnamon roll. It's the perfect little sweet treat to make with your kids this Easter. Thank you so much for joining me here today in my kitchen, and I'll see you again soon. Happy Easter!